Hello, right now ongoing ang General Assembly at election ng Tourism Congress of the Philippines. Every 2 years, we elect our new set of officers. And sa mga hindi familiar sa Tourism Congress of the Philippines, siya ang primary voice ng private sector sa tourism industry dito sa Pilipinas. It's an organization composed of different tourism stakeholders in different sectors ng turismo. At in the past years, wala kasing physical event. Ngayon lang nagkaroon ulit ng physical event ng Tourism Congress of the Philippines. And hopefully, as we welcome our new set of officers and a new set of officials, government officials sa gobyerno, will be able to work with the government para i-forward ang interes ng tourism stakeholders at ng industriya ng turismo dito sa ating bansa.